Hi, today I'm ready for OnePlus Nord 3 5G and I'll show you that the device comes with the protective case by default. So first let's open the box. So let's check. This is the charger and the USB cable, and let's also open this paper box. And what I can find here is some paperwork on the SIM eject tool. So unfortunately we have not here any protective cases, and if you want to use them with your OnePlus device you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.